All right, welcome everyone. That's where we're at today. Got the spring installed. It does spring. All right, set that up there, and we're gonna, like I say, build. Actually, we're gonna build onto that, but first we need a 10, 11, and 17 for this part. 10, 11, and 17 over here, big one. And where to put my? Oh, there it is. The bright red handle is hiding from me. All right. Well, I think it's not. Oh, yeah, that's. I hate that again. There we go. Once again, this is probably overkill, but I just like having nice smooth pieces to work with. Okay, now take this oriented like that, take a 10. Okay, there's where the other end of the drive shaft goes. Oh, you're gonna this is gonna be snug. Okay, but that wasn't too bad. All right, I can dig it. Now move you. Don't move you very far forward because you're. Oh, you got to move some notch down the bottom. Okay, all right. I can dig it. All right. Still got our spring going. All right, now what's next? Oh, that's what that notch is for this little piece, so to hold it in place. Line it up properly. Did this. Yep, snug right in there. So this is good and solid. Excellent. Then the big part. Okay, so we got the keyhole notches there, so you go in these and you slide over so this one fits in. Alright, guys. And I say once we get the key over here, that's going to center that. Oh, center that. So that should make it more stable, where it doesn't jiggle around as much. Okay, and that's all for the first part of step 4. Now we need a 12, 13, 14 times 4. Yep. Yep. 3. Alright, and get our. Yeah, those got theirs in there too. Okay. Okay. Now, take these guys. 13. Nicely labeled on the side for us there. Of course, it also doesn't have a hole for the key to go through. In there. Yeah, you just drop straight down. Okay. In theory. A snug fit, and still blowing that veneer out on the back side. This one, I'm assuming it's very similar, but not quite as deep on this side. Okay. And then, okay. Wait a second now. Oop. I just stopped at the right point. Still got more pieces to grab. Got those, got excited. Okay, so 15, 16, and 18 too. Okay. 16 and 18, and that's actually, that empties out A. Nice. It always feels good to get one of those things cleared out. To me, anyway. All right, now read these things properly. Okay, so this there, and 15 goes on the back side, 16 goes on this side. All right, so these are hinges, and I will put the writing to the middle. I don't think it's going to show up in the end, and then in theory, get my handy dandies out again. Where'd I put my handy? I just used them a minute ago. Well, I say a minute ago. All right, secondary handy dandy. You guys up. All that was much easier than I was expecting it to be, I'll be honest. It just popped right in. Cool. Alright, so make sure the decoration is on the outside. Focus, focus. There you go. And similar it is. Okay, and that one went in nice and easy too. Cool. Wasn't expecting that. Okay, so now this one goes on the back. It slides into these slots and locks in as well. They just, okay, make sure these are straight, I guess. Okay, they do have room to sort of function there, to sort of flare out. But yep, I think that, yep, that concludes step 4. Gotta say it's a good start on the cab. I say I'm still tickled that the spring works. Okay, this one doesn't have any writing on it because it's got the key that's going to go through it to wind it. Right. Nice. All right. thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share. Do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another. Stay healthy. And I'll see you next time. Bye.